Right now, I'm building a system that will push my agency past 100K a month, and I'm giving you the entire blueprint. No theory, no fluff. Just the exact structure I'm using to scale AI OFM before 2027 hits. Here's why this system works when most people running OFM agencies are stuck. AI is changing everything about how this business works. Tools like OnlyChat are removing the need for manual chatters entirely, which used to be the biggest bottleneck in this whole industry. The agencies that adopt this now before 2027 are going to be ahead of everyone doing things the old way. This isn't a theory I read somewhere. I'm actively building and testing the system right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But most people trying to scale in this space run into the same wall. Here's the problem. Manual chatting caps how many accounts one person can realistically manage. You can only manage so many conversations before quality drop and your whole team burn out. Second problem, if your whole income depends on a real model and she decides to leave, your revenue lives with her. And third, most people try to go at this alone. Alone you go fast, together you go far. Solo operators hit a ceiling and tend to stay there. So, here's the plan to fix all those three problems at once. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact account structure we are running. 4 hybrid accounts and 2 fully AI accounts. I'm showing you the content engine that let us multiply output without multiplying work. And I'm showing you why the team behind this is what will actually make it scale past 6 figures a month. Let's start with how the accounts themselves are structured. We are running 6 Instagram accounts total. 4 of them are in a hybrid salary OnlyFans model. Real models because OnlyFans still converts better than anything else out there. Those models only need to do 2 things. Record the PPVs and create the feed OnlyFans pictures. We handle everything else with AI. The 2 other accounts are fully AI running on FanView. This makes significantly less money, but it's pretty much guaranteed money since she doesn't exist. She will never leave, never burn out, or never try to negotiate a better deal. The funnel across all of this is simple. A Get All My Links page on the second Instagram account, redirecting either to Telegram DMs or OnlyFans. This is the highest leverage part of the entire strategy. We split the team into 2 halves. Half the team is focused purely on creating original content inspired by viral Instagram reels, with one goal: going viral again. The other half take content from our models that is already proven to work and redistribute it across all accounts we run. One main account per model gets the original, and all the other accounts publishes the same content, ranked from most popular to least popular, just changing one variable. Something as simple as the color of a t-shirt. That means one viral reel doesn't perform just one time, it performs many times. On the chatting side, OnlyChat handles the conversation that used to require a full team of human chatters. AI also runs the social media marketing. So the real models only ever have to record content for the PPVs and for the feed pictures on OnlyFans. Nothing else. And as revenue comes in, we'll reinvest it 2 ways. More content production and Ali remote boxes, which let us physically manage 10 or more iPhones through software that can be operated from anywhere in the world by VAs. This isn't just a plan on paper. Here's what makes it work in practice. The logic behind the AI persona accounts alone is what makes this system resilient. There is no churn risk from a real person deciding to walk away. because there is no real person to walk away. And the redistribution system means every piece of proven content gets 6 times the reach it will get from a single account without needing 6 times the creative work. We're actively testing this with OnlyChat and this account structure right now. And the early momentum is exactly why I wanted to share this plan before it's fully scaled. So, if you're serious about building something like this, here's the recap. 6 accounts, 4 hybrid, 2 fully AI, and 1 shared funnel. A content engine where we create once and redistribute everywhere with small variations. And the principle underneath all of it, alone you go fast, together you go far. And if you want to actually be part of building this, here is how. I'm actively looking for ambitious people to join the project inside my Skool community. Right now, you can get involved by contributing your time, even just volunteering to start. If you take initiatives and do good work, you're pretty much guaranteed a position in the agency once we scale. If that's you, the link is in the description. Come join us and let's build this together.